RNA polymerase performs essentially the same reaction in all cells from bacteria to humans, and that is the synthesis of RNA. From bacteria to mammals, the cellular RNA polymerases are made up of multiple subunits. So they are oligomeric enzymes. The RNA polymerase is not a single unit. Bacteria have only a single RNA polymerase, whereas eukaryotic cells have three RNAs, and these are RNA polymerase 1, RNA polymerase 2, and RNA polymerase 3, and are abbreviated as RNA pol 1, RNA pol 2, and RNA pol 3. Recently, two more DNA dependent RNA polymerases have been identified, and these have been called as polymerase 4 and polymerase 5. These are found only in plants where they transcribe small interfering RNAs, that is siRNAs. So the transcription of these siRNAs is performed by pol 4 and pol 5. The bacterial RNA polymerase core enzyme alone is capable of synthesizing RNA and comprises two copies of alpha subunits and one each of beta and beta prime and one unit of omega. So there are five subunits, two alpha and beta, beta prime and omega. This enzyme is closely related to the eukaryotic polymerases, RNA polymerases. The structure of a bacterial RNA polymerase core enzyme is similar to that of the yeast polymerase 2 enzyme. Overall, the shape of each enzyme resembles a crab claw. This is reminiscent of hand structure of DNA polymerases. I'm sure you might be remembering the hand structure of our DNA polymerase, which resembles a hand. The two pincers of the crab claw are made up of predominantly the two largest subunits of the enzyme, that is beta and beta prime. So the shape of this enzyme RNA polymerase is like the crab's claw, and these are two pincers, and these two pincers are beta and beta prime. So this is the structure of RNA polymerase, and here you can see this is a crab, and these are two crabs claws, pincer claws, and this unit is beta prime, this is beta, this is sigma unit, and this is omega unit, and two alpha units, alpha 1 and alpha 2. So this is the structure of bacterial RNA polymerase. The active site, which is made up of regions from both these subunits, that is beta and beta prime, is found at the base of the pincers within a region called active center cleft. So these are two pincers, and this is beta and beta prime. Active center lies here at the base of these pincer claws, and this is called active center cleft.